What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. Today's video is inspired by a beautiful queen. Her name is Corinne. She is the owner of Coco Creations Beauty Salon. Check her out on Instagram at Coco Creations. Also, check the links in the description box if you would like to check her out. When I saw this lock style on the Coco Creations Instagram page, I fell in love and had to share this video with all of you, okay? So shouts out to Corinne for being amazing and talented and also inspiring this video. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. You want to do to start this style is start off with your hair into two ponytails, okay? I've used pipe planners to put my ponytails in. You can use whatever works for you. Once you put your hair into two ponytails, what you're going to do is go ahead and take a lock from the bottom, okay, and just wrap it around. What I'm going to do is just take a lock and kind of tuck this lock under that one, just to overlap it, and there you have it. We want to go ahead and start doing our lock petal. So we want to make a loop just like this, a small loop at that. Don't make your loop big like this. Okay, that will kind of look awkward on this particular style. You want to make smaller loops, just like this. Okay, and to continue, fold up, holding the base. Just try and make your loops the exact same size. Fold up, leave a little bit of hair at the bottom for you to actually grab. You want to hold that base. The loop, we're going to fold up. We're going to make a loop. We're folding up. Okay, holding the base the whole time. Okay, I'm going to fold it up. Holding that base. Okay, and see this little piece, so to go ahead and secure this, we're just going to grab it. Make sure that you do not let this go. I'm just holding it together. I'm going to take a rubber band. And put that rubber band right at the base of this lock petal. Just like so. See? Just like that. Now what I want to show you here is, see how this is kind of loose and just dangling around? You want to tighten this up. I'm going to show you how to do that. You don't want to tighten it to the point where it's pulling, but to the point that it's sturdy and secure and it's literally not. This is how we tighten up our pipe planners, okay? What you want to do is just pull it out just a little, just to kind of gauge which lock we're going to be using to tighten it up. You just pull it out a little. Move this out the way. Pull it out a little, and I hope you guys can see this. Pull it out. Do you see that lock there that moved? This lock moved, so you know to grab this lock. This is the base lock, and just kind of slide it down that lock, and boom, just like that. Okay, we're going to move on, and now we're going to do another lock petal. Same thing. We're going to make our loop, hold it at the base. Okay, we're going to make a loop, hold it at the base. Okay, loop, hold it at the base, and we are making smaller lock petals. At the base. See this little bit here? Don't worry about it. You can fold it up like this, but I'll just leave it down. I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. So I'm just going to grab it. Once I finish. Okay, I'm going to grab me a rubber band. Okay, and I'm going to take this rubber band and I'm going to put it around the base of these lock petals or these locks. Okay, this is how you create the petals, okay? Now and again, we're gonna do the same thing we did the first time. We are going to find our base lock so that we can tighten up this lock petal. Okay, that's kind of good, but I still want to tighten up my lock petal. So what we do is, see that lock, this is the lock that we created the lock petal with. Just pull a little bit up, and you see that lock is the one that actually moves, so you know that's your base lock. You just literally hold the lock and just slide it down, just like that. And that's how it sits up. We could do the same thing again. See, base lock, slide it down, okay? And that's how you create your petals, and they just kind of sit there without moving. Now I'm here at the back of the ponytail. These are the 2 lock petals that I created in the front. I'm gonna continue and show you how to do another lock petal. So basically, again, make a loop, okay? We're gonna fold up and make a loop, all right? I'm gonna fold up, hold the base, make a loop, okay? Continue, fold up, make a loop. Now, the thing about doing smaller lock petals is there's a lot more to hold at the base of the lock petal, okay? But keep in mind that you can do lock petals all different sizes, okay? These just happen to be smaller lock petals, so the larger your lock petal, the less that you had to hold here at the base, okay? But this is fine because this is actually part of the style. Now that I've completed this lock petal, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rubber band on to secure it. So I hold it, I take the rubber band and put it around the base of this lock petal, okay? Just like so. All right, see, literally. Look at the little ends that we did at the bottom. But this is where my technique comes in finding that base lock, which is the lock that your lock petal is created from, which is right here. And we're gonna find that base lock. Okay, see, it's right there. It just moved. So we know to hold it and just slide that petal down, okay? Slide it down, just like so. Now that we've done our lock petals here, the next thing that we're gonna do is grab the ponytail, okay? And we're gonna look for our little straggler friends, okay? From the lock petals we were doing here, okay? And we're gonna grab them into this section here. The next thing we're gonna do is grab a lock. It doesn't matter from where. Just make sure it's a longer lock, all right? And what we're going to do now is basically a barrel roll, okay? Check out my video, how to do the perfect barrel roll. And we're gonna wrap the lock around, okay? Making sure you overlap those little stragglers. And you wanna just make it as closest to the lock petals as you can, okay? And we're gonna continue wrap the lock around. Okay, just like so. Just wrap it around. You want to go ahead and lay it down. Grab a new lock and make sure you overlap that lock you just laid down and continue to wrap around. Okay? Just wrap it around. As you can see from the back of her head, I want to try and gauge where I want to stop doing my barrel roll so that I can start doing more lock petals. So I think I'm going to wrap it one more time and then I'm going to stop here, okay? Because I see it matches up with this side. It matches up. So I have about 2 rubber bands here and I'm just going to go ahead and put it right on this hair. And we're gonna put the rubber band on one time and we're gonna just put it there, overlap that lock, slide it up. We can go like this to kind of cover the rubber band. See, we have the rubber band on, the lock down, and that's how you secure that now, what I want to mention here before I start my lock petals is that I will not be doing any lock petals on the inner portion of this ponytail, okay? We're gonna focus our lock petals on the outer portion, right?
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. body baby oh. Ah, his body baby oh. Yeah, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Even your one time. It's okay. Bad man will take you there.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
We're gonna go ahead and lock pedal the rest of these locks. The difference between this section and the sections up above is that this section will have lock pedals on a complete 360, okay? Just like this one that you see back here. So let's tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians you know seeking lock styling inspiration, like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think about this style. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and check out my homegirl Corinne at Coco Creations. Let her know that Earthlock sent you. Y'all know I brought with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.